When undertaking projects, engineers and contractors face many interconnected challenges: unstable foundations, heavy materials, and complex water management issues. But what if there was a solution that could address these issues efficiently and sustainably? It all starts with sourcing high-quality clay from our nearby extraction sites. This clay is abundant and will last for thousands of years. The clay is then transported to our factory, where it undergoes a meticulous process to become a homogeneous mass. One cubic meter of clay produces 5 cubic meters of lightweight aggregate. Next, the clay is fired in high-temperature kilns, transforming it into lightweight expanded aggregates. We use biomass as a fuel source, reducing our carbon footprint. Finally, the Leca lightweight aggregate is sieved and carefully packaged, ready to be shipped and used in various construction applications. You can choose from round or crushed material and either bulk delivery, bulk bags, or small bags. From natural clay to innovative solutions, Leca lightweight aggregate supports your construction projects sustainably and efficiently.